Welcome to Accufind IPS Management Panel. This is the login panel. Once you type in login ID and password, you will be able to see the main panels, which have a member list, have an event list, promotion list, shake item list, and last but not least, POI informations. Currently, member lists, event lists, promotion lists are under constructions. So what we will be evaluating is on the POIs. In the POI list, there is 4 different kind of tab. The first one is a district. This is to define area in Singapore. So you could have east, and you could have a west, as well as north and south. So the next one I want to show you is the building type. Building type is the main category shown in the mobile app, and you can modify it or you can add one. Let's say this is a university. Okay, university. And if you want to choose, you can choose an icon to add into it. So let me have one university. And let's use this as a university icon. So in front, you will be able to use it. Here you go, and you add it. So now you have a new building type, which is called university. If you don't like school, you can even delete it. Here you go. So this is a shop type. Shop type basically is the one that you will be shown on the attached to the building. Like first, let's test this hairdressing. I don't like it, so I will delete it. Okay, and I can also add one. This is called a test 01, and then I will be using the same logo previously, and here you go. So next, let's look at how to add a building. So this is a very complicated panel. On the left hand side, this search is to search the POI on this map. Let's say I want to search Plaza Singapura. Then you will be able to see where this Plaza Singapura is. Okay, so remember this search is a global search. Okay, let's create some bug here. Okay, so on the right hand panel, this is the search against our own database. So I can search for IQ, and then he will return the one we have. Okay, alright, so this is a 2 building we have created in our database. So let me now show you how to add a new POI, a new floor in this building. Let's say we'll add common. Okay, here is a common. So we click here, and this is, let's call the south. This is what I say it is the category. And building name, this is a SOC Com1. So this is an XY coordinator. We already computing dry. So here it goes, how you define the border. So let's say I start here, and then I drag, 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 and drag. Once you double click, you get the selections. This is Com1 building for SOC. So there is 1, B1, 1, 2, 3. And if you have a logo, you can put it there. Let's say, let me use this. And once you submit, here you go. You have a new Com1 building. So this is how you create a new buildings, and they are the SciMax side is working on how to make an indoor map like this A. Once I click the A, I can automatically go in. But now, if I click C, there's no floor plan. So what I mean here basically is that they are building a way to automatically associate the indoor map and outdoor map together. So once you create an outdoor map, select the area, and then you associated the indoor map with these buildings. All right, so this is this finish the part of how to add a new site from the map. So let's see what is actually inside an indoor map. So you can toggle among different floor. And then you can add a POI. Okay, so this is this XY value, and this is the description of the POI inside the building. Okay, so and then you can double click and create an edit. This is all the information for the POIs inside the buildings. So let me give example. So this is our IQ building. Okay, so this is where Accufind. So we will be saying that this is office, and the shop name is Accufind Technologies Pte Ltd, and some funny number 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, the main office of Accufind. So what you want? I want to put an Accufind logo here, and then upload. All right, so I click submit. Information is updated successful. Some bug here, but once you refresh it, the next time you come in, the information is there. So let's say we are in level 3, and this is Accufind. So the logo will be displayed on the mobile app. So here we got app point. We got a set a center. Basically, this is this is your center. This is how you view in the mobile app, and you can also set a scale. This one I'm not pretty sure yet. I need to find out from the SciMax people what do they mean by asset scale. It's actually very complicated functions. And then this is the push information that oops, let's see. So this push information is something that you can define a region. Once the people come into this region, you can start to automatically push the information to it. So let me show you how do you define a region. Let's say I want people. Once people go inside here, this is one region. Okay, and then we can start to say this is a welcome message to IQ level 3. Welcome to IQ. This is area, and once you submit and pushing, I think that is where you are able to. Right, so once you the people coming to this area, then you will be able to receive a message. So this is all we have for the for the back management system. Well, thank you for listening, and feel free to ask me questions.